Hi everybody, in this video I will talk about IEnumerable or enumerable interface and how to use it to read file from a text file and get the data from file. So firstly you need to have a new file, a text file, and inside the text file we define some of the value for x and y coordinator. For example, x here is float and y is also float. This file can contain many coordinators, so you can read from here to read x and y and then display to a graph, etc. So firstly we define a static function or static method return to the interface enumerable. So it means that as it is a sequence of string, it returns to a sequence of string, and the string here will be as cone when if need or lazy. Yes, so firstly we read the file name. We open the file name using open text, and the file here also is on a package or namespace from IO system.io. So after the reader we have the reader stream, a stream reader type. So you can return using yield. Yield mean lazy return, or it will only return when the result is used. When the result of the function read from is used, then it is called or executed. So firstly display the type of reader. So the reader type is a stream. This type is stream because it read from a file, a text file. Inside the main function we call the read from and return to an enumerable of string. It is something like a list of string, but with more speed, and we for it on the line in the line collection. So we display the line here. It is something like to iterate in an array. Yes, okay. So we have the type of reader is a stream reader, and the list of output here we have. This is a line. Then we can secondly we remove this code line. So here the lines is unused. In this case it is unused, and after running this you see that the read from does not run. So why the read from function now does not run? Because the line is not used, so it will do not call the read from function. So it is known as lazy. We use yield. Yield for lazy means that if the return value for read from is not used, so the function or method is not called. Here we iterate the content of the file, of the text file, and get through the value of string x line, and iterate this, and we can return to the line of the text file. So we have x line here, return x line, or lazy return x line. So secondly we remove this, so we iterate the lines and run. Okay, so here we have a list about x and y value, but this is a line or a string. So you want to split this string to the specific value and convert this value to float or double. So it is separated by the comma and space. Firstly, we need to split or convert string to array by using the split method. This method will split the string or using the comma and space. We separate this and add to the array, so we have a number 0 and number 1. We get the x and y value and convert this value to float or double. After converting to double, we can add it to display. Yes, we can display right line is x and y is also equal to y, and run. Okay, so we have x and y here separately, and it is double or float. So here we define a class point, and class point has property x and y. It has a constructor for initialize x and y, and the function to display the detailed information. So we can use this object from this class. So we define an array. Remove this and define an array. We have an array or list of point or list of object point, and this is a blind list. And we initialize some of the new object point and add the new object to the existing array or the existing list by using add point, add a new point, and we display by calling the method, the showInfo method. So the public method here, it is a public method, so you can call to display the detailed information of an object. So after running, we have x and y here. Yes, okay. So it is end of my lesson today about interface enumerable and how to read data from a text file and convert the value. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.